Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. In this tutorial I will show you how you can model basic things in Autodesk Maya. So first of all we need to open Autodesk Maya, so click on start and find your Maya version. I installed Maya 2017 in this computer and I'm gonna open this, so we have to wait till it's... So guys, as you can see, Maya interface. In this tutorial I will show you how you can model basic things, and I will give you an idea about polygons and vertex and different faces that you can use those faces and polygons to model your product or whatever you are trying to model. So it will help you a lot to model things. Every shapes and every product starts with the basic shapes. You can create box. Click on box here in polygon section, click on box. So if it's not allowing to show you box, then click on create and then make sure that this interactive creation is unchecked. Otherwise it would not allow you to put box by just clicking on the box in polygon section. So make sure this dialog box is unchecked. Now in polygon section click on the box, so you can see the box. Press F from your keyboard so it will allow you to zoom. Then by pressing Alt button and left mouse button it will allow you to rotate and see the box from 360 angle. Pressing the right click by holding Alt button it will allow you to zoom out and zoom in. And if you are far from this object and object is selected, then you can press F, so it will take you to zoom in situation and you can see full object from 360 and it will not be unfocused. So you will, when you will rotate, it will rotate around the object. So now the editing part come. Every object starts from its basic shape. For example, if you are trying to model the glass, then you don't need this box, then you will go for the maybe tube or cylinder. So I will say, for example, we want to model the glass. By the way, when you will press 1 it will make it smooth, and 2 it will make more smooth, and in 3 it will make full smooth version. And you need, at the end you will make this smooth, otherwise it won't give you the correct feel. If it's not the hard surface model, if it's organic model and hard surface modeling, there's a difference between both modeling. In hard surface you don't need to actually smooth the object. You can put high dense mesh and make the curvy edges and make the leave the hard edges, and it will give you the correct feel. But in an organic model, like if you are modeling face, something with soft and smooth edges, then at the end you need to convert them into smooth version. So in this case, if I'm going to model the glass, then I need to make it smooth at the end. But right now I will show you how you can model. Right click and it will allow you to go into vertex. Click on that vertex and then pressing the shift and right click, so it will take you to chamfer vertex. Click on chamfer vertex and then right click and click on face. Select this face, press R from your keyboard, and by clicking on this yellow and extending this to sides, it will allow you to extend this edge to the next edges. Now we are gonna press 3 again for checking that is it going to look like glass. No, it's not looking like glass. For the glass, these vertex, right click, go to vertex, select all these vertex. By the way, if you want to see this model in a wireframe mode, then press 4 from your keyboard, so it will allow you to see in wireframe mode. And then I'm gonna scale them into bit lower version. By the way, you can select move tool, scale tool and rotate tool. When you will press W, it will allow you to move these vertex, polygon or edges. Then you will press E, it will allow you to rotate, and when you will press R, so it will allow you to scale and rescale. It will allow you to rescale. So in my situation I am satisfied to this length, so I will go back to object mode by right clicking and object mode, and then I will press 5, so it will show me the solid version, and then I will move this glass into the grid. Now I need to make it hard, this edge, so I will click on this, and again by pressing shift and right clicking, I will go to chamfer vertex and make this spread near to other vertex, and I will press 3 again. It's giving me the glass feel, so I will press 1 again to make it back to the normal position. And now I need to make it look like glass, so I will click on face by right clicking and face, and click this face and pressing shift and right click, I will say extrude face. So I will take this into the lower section, then I will press R from keyboard and make this more smaller version in scale. Then I will press 3, that in smooth version how it's looking. It's not accurate looking because there are not more edges to support them. It's looking quite funky, so I will make it right by pressing 1 back to normal position, and then I will go to mesh tool and insert edge tool. Then I will click here and here, and in downside I will click here, and that's it. So, and I can add some middle parts, so it will help me to make it more smooth version. Now I will press 3, and now you can see it's giving us the feel of glass. So that's it, we pretty much done. And extrude face and R, and I will make this like this, and for this also I need one more edge. Now it's looking fully like the glass. And that's it guys, for this tutorial. The modeling section is done for this glass, and in next upcoming tutorial I will show you how you can model different things one by one. And at the end, when I'll feel that modeling section is done and now you can model each and everything that you are trying to make, then we will proceed to the next session, which will be materialing the object and then texturing the object. And then this process will go on, and we will cover animation and lighting and rendering and 3D stuff. For this tutorial, the glass product is finished. As you can see, you learned how you can model glass in Autodesk Maya, and inshallah I will bring more tutorial. And if you want me to make custom tutorials for Autodesk Maya or any software you are looking for in designing section, feel free to put that in comments, and I will make that tutorial for you in upcoming videos. And make sure you subscribe my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so you will get notification every time I will upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching this video, and Allah Hafiz.